Dave, I'm glad you could finally come in to meet with me. I've been trying to get an appointment with someone from Microsoft for 6 months.
Well, Rajib, I'm glad we can meet today. We've got some exciting new releases coming up at Microsoft and the developer community is buzzing.
That's great news. I'm trying to carve out a career path by denouncing all technologies that are not made by Microsoft. What advice can you give me?
Rajib, I can tell you're one of the smartest .NET developers that I've ever met.
Thank you, Dave. I've worked really hard to get ahead at this company and I feel sorry for anyone who gets in my way. I really admire you and your company. What new products do you have coming out?
Great question. This is a big day for developers. We released a lot of news. We announced the brand new SKUs for Visual Studio 2010, including a new Ultimate offer available for a limited time. We also released Beta 2 for Visual Studio 2010 and the .NET Framework 4. In addition, we are launching the new MSDN website and MSDN subscriber benefits, and we are thrilled to let developers know the launch date will be March 22nd.
Dave, I think I love you. Will you be my mentor?
I'll consider that, Rajib, but only if you promise to pledge your allegiance to Microsoft and criticize all technologies that are not made by us.
I'll do it, Dave. I'll do anything for you.
Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the third largest software company in the world. With liberty and justice long forgotten, I can carve out a future by criticizing all technologies not made by Microsoft.
I pledge allegiance to the third largest software company in the world. With liberty and justice long forgotten, I can carve out a future by criticizing all technologies not made by Microsoft.
Rajib, you will make a grand disciple.
Hi Rajib, how are you today? Did you hear the news about the new Microsoft Visual Studio and .NET Framework?
Hello Phil, I'm doing very well today. Yes, I've heard the news. My mentor is Dave from Microsoft. I'm proud to pledge my allegiance to Microsoft and I love .NET more than I love my own country.
That's kind of weird. You know. Right? Well Rajib, maybe you can help me. I'm stuck on a development problem.
Why, of course, my friend. What problem can I solve for you today?
I am developing an ASP.NET application that uses forms authentication. However, it contains subdirectories, and they don't get authenticated somehow. I added a web.config and set the segment.asks to the sign-on page in the application's root directory. However, if I move to a page in one of the subdirectories, it requires me to log in again. Once I log in successfully, it keeps sending me back to my sign-in page.
Have you checked on the MSDN bulletin board server? They just came out with a brand new website. I've heard that they are very smart people that like to answer simple questions about .NET software development. It makes them feel superior to average developers like yourself. Many of these people work for Microsoft, which I also hope to do someday. They are very smart and I'm sure they can help you.
Thanks Rajib. I'll give that a try.
You are quite welcome. I pledge allegiance to the third largest software company in the world. With liberty and justice long forgotten, I can carve out a future by criticizing all technologies that are not made by Microsoft.
Good luck with that. Margaret, I'm thinking about hiring another .NET developer. I'm really not satisfied with Phil's performance. It seems like he spends too much time waiting for someone on the internet to help him.
Do you want me to speak with him?
Yes, please break the news to him, and I'm thinking about firing Rajib. He seems to give everyone bad advice.
Maybe we should put Rajib on a pit before we fire him. I think he's been brainwashed by Dave, that sales rep from Microsoft.
Good idea. I'll talk to human resources about that. Just make sure you talk to Phil today. Any other agenda items that we should talk about?
Speaking of Microsoft, I hear they are coming out with another new version of the .NET framework. We will have to upgrade all of the laptops in our 3,000 branch offices.
Oh crap, not again. That pisses me off. We haven't even finished the upgrade from last year. Let me talk to the executive committee before we do anything. The last time I told them we had to upgrade, I almost got fired.
Wow, it sucks to be you.
Well, that pisses me off. I can't believe they want to hire another .NET developer. I'm working my ass off over here.
I'm not surprised, ever since they caught you posting development questions on the web. They think you're an idiot because you won't read the fricking manual.
I know, I feel like an idiot. I never should have listened to Rajib about that bulletin board server. He told me to look there for answers when I was stuck.
What were you thinking? Rajib doesn't know his ass from a hole in the ground, and he knows even less about .NET.
Maybe I should just quit. This company sucks. I'll start my own consulting company and charge twice as much as I'm making now.
Good idea. Not. You, my friend, are a total dumbass.